Today see about mathematics multiplication tables for 18 and 19. 18 ones are 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 fives are 90, 18 6 are 108, 18 6 are 198, 18 sevens are 126, 18 sevens are 126, 18 8s are 144, 18 8s are 144, 18 9s are 162, 18 9s are 162, 18 10s are 180, 18 10s are 180. This is the multiplication tables for 18. Then again see about multiplication tables for 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 fives are 95, 19 6 are 114, 19 6 are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 19 sevens are 133, 19 8s are 152, 19 8s are 152, 19 9s are 171, 19 9s are 171, 19 10s are 190, 19 10s are 190. This is the multiplication tables for 19. Thanks for watching video. Like your video, share, like, subscribe our channel.